Here we go, another venture into Ikea, and this time it's Abu Dhabi. Wow! A real dash through. Fibre optic lights always go really well in sensory rooms, and those are particularly lovely but not very cheap. How about this for a cheap idea? Hang little sensory lights and things like that on a child's wheelchair tray for visual stimulation. If you're going to do some work with UV and you're going to use fluorescent things, use things with dark backgrounds like these trays. They'll work really well. White ones are fabulous too. Oh, if the guys from Wairoa School and Bondi are watching, look at this, they've got koala bears. Just marvellous. Anyway, mosquito nets, always fantastic with coloured lights. Drape them from the ceiling and get your colours going onto the net. Beautiful. Lovely sensory trolleys, put all your stuff in there, roll it off around your school or your centre. You've got some great portable sensory, which is just wonderful. Hang things from those. We'll hang tactile objects, all kinds of things from those. They're just brilliant. This is absolutely fantastic. I've never seen this in Ikea in the UK. It's a lighting up skipping rope. I tried it back at the hotel and I'm really good at skipping. Actually, no, I'm not, because I'm nearly 60. Anyway, right, off that, here we go, back into the store. Some really nice baby stuff. Nice for hanging lights and things like that from. Absolutely gorgeous. And have a look at a video preceding this, all about making salad spinner lights. They are absolutely amazing. If you want to spin lights for kids who have autism, get some glowing balls and put them into this champagne cooler. Alternatively, if you're on a budget, forget it, get a fruit bowl, equivalent to £7 in the UK, much cheaper and works tremendously well. As usual, lots of plastic storage boxes for putting lights in and a tray to diffuse light, in other words, shine coloured lights from the back. They do some great stick-on hooks. These are really, really cool. You can dangle tactile things down from there, stick them on the wall. How about a glitter bag to put everything in? They work really well. Never seen those before. Black and white bins, once again, with lights. They're going to be absolutely tremendous. And of course, umbrellas. The umbrellas are terrible quality, but nevertheless, they're terribly cheap. These are new. These are really nice. Good visual stimulation lights. They do them freestanding. They also do some ceiling hanging versions like this, which are really cool. And when you look at the effect that they give from a white surface, these are really, really nice. Just look at that. I found a couple of other new lights too. They're colour changing pencil lights. Look at those. They're really nice. It's not quite a bubble tube, but then again a fraction of the cost, and you don't have to change the water, which I thought was a really great idea. Hang on a minute, what about these? Yeah, lovely gazebos. There you go. Just erect one of those, dangle lights down, dangle tactile things down. You've got a great sensory space. And of course, as always with Ikea, wonderful white parasols for projecting onto. Non-slip mats, lots of stuff like that. Loads in Ikea here in Abu Dhabi. My name's Richard Hurstwood. There is the calm before the storm on the course. And we were in Ikea. And many thanks to Bright Start, a fantastic charity, for getting us out here. It was brilliant. Lastly, many thanks to Andy Pidcock for letting me use the music in the movies, and here's a sample of his amazing work.
And again. Okay, here we go. Bye! Bye!